Standing atop these ancient summit ruins, I can't help but feel the weight of history beneath my feet. This was once the king's palace, a majestic stronghold that commanded not just respect, but awe. Imagine the vibrant life that thrived here, with courtiers and advisors bustling about, all while overlooking the vast jungle that sprawls endlessly below. The panoramic views are breathtaking, a tapestry of greens and browns, where the sounds of wildlife echo through the trees. Each stone tells a story, whispering secrets of a civilization that flourished and then faded into the mist of time. As I gaze out, I can almost see the rituals and celebrations that once filled this space with life. These ruins are more than just remnants, they are a bridge to the past, inviting us to ponder the legacy of those who once ruled from this very spot. It's a reminder that even the mightiest can fall, but their stories endure, etched into the landscape for all who dare to explore. Standing atop Sigiriya rock, I can't help but feel a rush of exhilaration. This hidden gem, just a stone's throw from the iconic Sigiriya, offers breathtaking panoramic views that are simply unforgettable. The hike here is less crowded, making it a perfect alternative for those seeking a peaceful sunrise experience. As I ascend, the ancient rock formations and lush greenery surround me, whispering tales of history and adventure. Reaching the summit, I'm greeted by the majestic sight of Sigiriya rising in the distance, bathed in the golden hues of dawn. It's a moment of pure magic, where nature and history collide, reminding me why this spot is a must-visit for any traveler. Sigiriya National Park is a hidden gem for elephant safaris, where you can witness the majestic Asian elephants in their natural habitat. The best time to visit is during the dry season, when hundreds of elephants gather around the Sigiriya tank, creating an unforgettable spectacle. As you embark on your safari, keep your camera ready. You might spot playful calves, towering bulls, and even the rare leopard lurking in the shadows. The park is also home to diverse bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Each safari is a unique adventure, filled with the thrill of encountering wildlife up close. Sigiriya isn't just about elephants, it's about connecting with nature and experiencing the wild like never before. The Sigiriya damsels, exquisite frescoes painted over 1,500 years ago, are a breathtaking glimpse into ancient Sri Lankan artistry. Nestled on the walls of Sigiriya rock, these vibrant women, adorned in elaborate jewelry and flowing garments, embody grace and beauty. Each figure tells a story, possibly representing celestial nymphs or royal consorts, inviting us to ponder their lives and significance. The use of natural pigments has allowed these masterpieces to endure, showcasing the skill and creativity of their creators. As we admire their elegance, we're reminded of the rich cultural heritage that continues to inspire generations. These frescoes are not just art, they are a timeless connection to a world long past, whispering secrets of love, beauty, and the human experience. Standing at the base of the Lion's Gate, I can't help but feel the weight of history pressing down on me. This majestic entrance, flanked by massive lion sculptures, leads to the incredible rock fortress of Sigiriya. The climb is steep, but every step brings me closer to the ruins of King Kashyapa's palace, perched high above. As I ascend, I imagine the vibrant frescoes that once adorned these walls, depicting celestial maidens. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, revealing a sprawling landscape that stretches for miles. It's hard to believe that this was once a royal citadel, a testament to ingenuity and ambition. Each stone tells a story, and as I explore, I feel a connection to the past that's truly unforgettable. As I stand before the mirror wall, I can't help but feel the weight of history etched into its polished surface. Each scratch and swirl tells a story, a whisper from the past. Ancient graffiti mingles with poetic verses, a tapestry of thoughts from those who stood here before me. I trace my fingers over the faded ink, imagining the hands that crafted these words, lovers declaring their passion, travelers sharing their dreams, and philosophers pondering existence. This wall is more than just stone, it's a canvas of human experience, a reflection of our collective soul. Every inscription invites me to pause, to connect with the echoes of those who dared to leave their mark. In this moment, I am both a part of history and a witness to the timeless dance of creativity and expression.